After 3 weeks of travelling around Cambodia, including spending a week relaxing on the sandy beaches of Koh Rong, we're crossing another land border into Thailand. Our plan is to spend a few days in Bangkok exploring the temples and trying some new snacks before we get an overnight bus south to Chumpon. From there, we'll be getting the ferry to Koh Tao, where we'll be learning to scuba dive.
The land border from Cambodia to Thailand was much easier and much less stressful than from Vietnam to Cambodia.
Don't know what's happening. Now we're at another border.
And they took our passports away.
Again.
For 3 reasons. The first one being, we'd already done a land border, so we kind of knew what we were doing. The second being, the bus driver actually told us step by step what was going to happen. He didn't just take our passports and leave. And then the third reason, we didn't have to have a visa, so we just went straight through. We got these coats from the 7-Eleven, and then we got this little minion stamp. We have no idea what it is, but
It's about 5 o'clock here now, but we're probably just going to have an early night because it took about 9 hours to get here on the bus, so we're a bit groggy. But first things first, new country means new SIM card, so we're going to go to the 7-Eleven.
So if you remember our Kuala Lumpur video and the Holiday Inn Express that we were staying in there, Georgia booked this hotel.
I didn't know the McDonald's was right next door.
Yeah, okay.
No, I genuinely didn't.
Okay. Georgia also booked this Holiday Inn Express. So there's the hotel entrance, and
Who knew we could have got closer? We got our SIM cards. It was 200 baht each for 30 gig of data for 30 days. So, pretty good deal.
oh my god, I'm triggered.
sounds like a Christmas song. We actually love Don Don Donkey.
This place is so much better than Singapore airport. I just thought it was a food shop. I didn't even know it was like a... I don't even know what you'd classify it as.
I don't know, but they have an EV.
Do you want an EV?
Yeah. Today we're going to go and explore Bangkok. We're going to take a walk towards where all the temples are and then hopefully visit a few. And then we're going to get on the ferry down to the big mall because apparently it's the 5th biggest mall in the world.
We're at the Grand Palace now. It's 500 baht each to get in, and you have to have your shoulders and your knees covered. So we're gonna go and find some touristy trousers to wear.
So trousers were 100 baht each, and she was not giving us any discount for buying two, because she knows everyone needs them to go in here. So there's no way you can haggle it down.
Okay, I know that place. So Angkor Wat, like Prambanan and Borobudur, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It was actually a Hindu temple, and then with the rise of Buddhism, it was converted to a Buddhist temple, and it's the largest religious structure in the world. And it is apparently the hottest place on Earth. So this is the temple of the Emerald Buddha. You can't take pictures inside or videos or anything, but from outside you can just about see it. It is incredibly beautiful inside. So they have a bunch of statues and there's murals on the wall. It's really a shame that we can't show it, but it's probably one of the most beautiful places I've been. We're now heading to the ferry terminal to get the ferry down to the next temple. So it's 30 baht for a one-way hop-off ticket, or 150 for an all-day ticket. But we didn't see the benefit in that because we're only getting it on once and then once again. So we just bought the single journey. So this one is Wat Arun. It was 100 baht each to enter, and you get a free limited edition water.
Look at this tourist.
How convenient, they're advertising Arundel open in Hong Kong Disneyland when we're going there soon.
We got invited in to see World of Frozen before they open it. I mean, they were letting anyone in, it wasn't just us. if you go and get me a hammer, I will do that to you if you like.
So on the ground floor or lower ground, I'm not too sure, there's a huge like food market, street food market and independent sellers. And then when you go up the escalators, it turns into like your average everyday mall. We're now headed to the Khaosan Road, which is like the main nightlife road. It has bars, restaurants, dispensaries, and also a ton of street food, including things like grilled scorpion and random bugs. Why am I doing this? Which one's the best?
Everything.
Everything.
Liar. Wait, which one are you going for first?
The worst one.
Go on then. Do the scorpion.
Although it's kind of nice that she cooked it so it's hot. Am I supposed to like eat all of it?
Well, no, leave half for me.
Yeah, but like I have to eat the claws.
Okay, the lady said eat everything, so.
Okay, it won't kill me. I don't know that I could do it.
So after this, you've got some delicious maggots to get rid of the flavour.
Oh, it's actually not bad. Just tastes crispy and salty.
Oh, okay.
It's very smoky. Smoky and salty.
He smells really good. I'll give him that. It's basically hollow.
It's surprisingly nice.
You see that? It's literally hollow. There's like nothing inside it. I mean, it's not like the nicest thing ever,
I
but...
probably won't have it again, but it's not bad.
What's this, a maggot?
It looks like a chironomid, so I guess a maggot.
A what? Say that again.
A chironomid.
Known as a chironomid.
A worm.
Caterpillar.
Tastes fine.
Wow, going in for seconds.
I mean, they're all very crispy and very salty. But like you say, I wouldn't have it again.
I actually am not bothered about this now. I think the scorpion was the worst.
I think the maggots taste worse, but only like slightly.
I mean, they don't taste good. But I guess if you fry some and put a load of salt on it, anything's edible, right?
Tonight we're heading to Sukhumvit, which is another area of Bangkok where there's nightlife and things. And then tomorrow we're actually leaving Bangkok, we're heading towards Koh Tao, but we need to go and sort our transportation out because our plan was to get the train, but we've just looked and the trains are sold out. So now we need to go find a bus or something. We went downstairs because our hotel has a little tour desk, but the guy who's running it at the minute wasn't really able to help us with transportation to Koh Tao. So it's kind of annoying because we do like to stay in hotels every now and then just for a bit more privacy, a bit more relaxation or whatever. But they don't offer the same services that hostels do. For example, if you wanted to go anywhere at a hostel, 9 times out of 10, they will do whatever they can to make it happen. But you don't get that same thing in most hotels. But just a couple of doors down is a sister hotel to the hostel we stayed in Siem Reap. And we walked in there, they were super helpful. They gave us this leaflet, said just go onto this website and you can book it all directly through that.
We're now heading to the ferry terminal to get the ferry down to the next that's I'll do it all again. Hello.
Are we rolling?
We're rolling.
We made it to Bangkok! Yay!
We're now heading.
Are we going?